Here goes RJ up the hill.
I'm gonna watch you.
Gonna take your picture.
Hang on tight.
Here it comes.
Hang on tight. Ready? Tell me to go.
Woo! Here he comes. Oh! You did it! You did it! Did you get snow in your face?
Good ride,
Did you get snow?
Right.
Oh, is that fun? Is that fun?
One,
You love it?
right,
Good ride, RJ.
that's right,
You're crazy.
right,
You want again?
ready.
All right.
Here he goes.
There's RJ.
Talk to the camera, RJ. Tell him how scary it was.
Did you go in the snow? Go down the hill real fast in your sled? Whoa!
Hey, RJ, you want to do it again or you done?
Yeah,
More?
more.
More. Okay, here we go.
Come here.
Here he goes up the hill. Bye-bye, RJ.
Bye.
Have fun in the sled.
RJ.
You ready?
Hey,
Hang on tight.
hey,
Hang on tight. Tell me when to go.
hello.
Ooh. Oh, he did it.
More, more,
More sled?
ready.
Okay.
And where's the mirror?
You like the sled?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Me
fun.
too.
Did you go fast? Really fast?
Mm-hmm.
You want any more?
Your mittens. You gotta leave them on.
Man.
There's Chance trapped in the snow. What's wrong, Chancey? Come here, Chancey.
You gotta wear them if you want to keep playing.
It's pretty deep.
More,
You want one more ride?
ready. Mama. Mama.
Hold on, come here.